So when you have an object, you can have multiple objects. You can go to layer 2 and you can create a ball. So you have layer 1 and layer 2. You can hold shift, and so you can actually go and move your ball, modify, move. So when you have more than one thing in one layer, you can size it and you can look at it from different sides. So once you have in 2 layers, what you can do is you can select 1 and 2 or as many layers, or select all the layers, and you go to layers. Okay, when you go to layers, then you go to the bottom part where it says flatten selected layers. Is this clear? So you go to flatten selected layers, and then it will become one layer, and then make sure that you save object as a different, give it a different name. Say I give a flatten objects. Once you save it, you can send it to layout. So you open up layout first. Is that clear so far? And then you press D if it comes as one view, and go to double view. Okay, these are very, very important things you have to remember. Every step you need to remember. Then you need to go to camera view. Okay, and in camera view you go to modeler, and then you go to this corner and send object to layout. So this will come as one object. Then you can go to heading, pitch and bank, and if you want to just go on one direction, you can hide it and then go on left and right. This is what you're going to animate. This is how you're going to animate. Okay, so you can click over here and deactivate the other ones so that it's not confusing, it's not wobbling. So once you do that, this is what you're going to see in VPR. This is your surface, and you can change the surface quality. And remember, I went to, you open up surface editor, and then you go to preset, and then you can select any color you want. So I go to automotive, double click on it, and it will show you. Now in order for you to animate, you can go and change the background. You can go to backdrop, and you can change, and you can choose the color you want. But if you want to bring in an image, you need to load image. Say I want, I can use this image. So now you can see that maybe if you use gradient, it will have the lighting changes because of the what color you use. So remember, if you want a very bright, use the gradient, and then you use a composite. Okay, so composite is what you're bringing in as background. So remember that to animate, you just go to heading, turn this off. This is very important. This is your timeline. Okay, this is what is going to, you're going to animate with.